This video will show you how to make Zobo, a popular Nigerian drink. Select the Zobo leaf to remove unwanted substances. Start boiling with 2 liters of water. Then you will need the back of the pineapple, chopped to bits, you would need about 3 to 4 fingers of ginger. Add water and blend. Then add the pineapple in your Zobo drink and also add your ginger. Allow to boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Filter to get a delicious Zobo. Add flavors and sugars. Serve chilled. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.